dealing with the problem on DPSK. So I have got a binary sequence 10101, and I have to sketch DPSK waveform. Initial bit is 1. The rest of the problem I will explain in a very simple way. You just observe. I have got the input, and the input sequence 10101 is there. This is the DPSK I have got, and DSP means input comes, it is XNOR gate, delayed, and output is given. XNOR between this and this is done. Then I have got a channel. Channel means what? It can be a free space. In this problem says that the channel gives a phase shift of 180 degrees, and at the receiver side, when I receive the signal, I will integrate. After integration, whatever I get here I will delay, then whatever I get here is multiplied. Please observe, when I integrate, whatever I get here is delayed here, and the delayed value is multiplied with this value. So I will repeat: input DPSK, input DPSK, now this is the input I have got, this is a DPSK I have got, and this is a channel. This is a channel I have got. This is the received data. I have to integrate, then delete, then again is multiply this value with this value. I will get the output. Everything I will draw it in a proper format and explain to you. So what I have got? I have got my input here. Input is 101101, and here initial bit I will assume it as 1. Correct? I am straight away writing the values here. So if you want, I will write in a small way. Initial value is 1. 1 1. What I will get? 1. Then 1 0. What I will get here? Both are different, so I am going to get 0. 0 1 different, so 0. 0 1 different, so 0. Then 0 0 means same, right? 1. Same, right? 1. So DPSK way says, when data is 1, right, I have got a phase shift of 0 0 pi 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 0 and 0. Correct? I am going to write the value now. I am going to write the carrier here. So when I am going to write the carrier, I will say phi 1 of t is my carrier, and phi 1 of t I am going to write. See here, right? I am going to write a very simple one cycle here, and next cycle here, and next cycle here, next cycle here, next cycle here. Correct? So hope you are familiar with the cycles now. Correct? The next part, right, is nothing but DPSK waveform. So I am going to write here DPSK waveform. So when I say DPSK waveform, see, 0 means no phase. So whatever I have got, I am going to write the carrier. This kept up down down as it is I have written. 0 means as it is, the carrier as it is I have written. Remember, 0 phase shift is 0. So carrier as it is 0. If you write carrier as this carrier as it, this carrier as it is. Phase shift is pi, means this up becomes down, and this down becomes up, down, down, up. Then again pi is 1:50 is there. So up is there, no? So it becomes down, and this becomes here. Same way it is, because phase shift is pi, right? So up becomes down. Then I am going to get the wave like this. When it is 0, I am going to retain the carrier as it is. When it is 0, I am going to retain the carrier as it is. Correct? Now I am going to show the next part of this. Next part is, you can observe here, right? DPSK waveform, right, of the phase reversal of 180 degrees. Means channel has given a phase shift of 180 degrees. Means 180 degrees, right? Phase shift. 180 degrees phase shift given by the channel. So please observe what the channel has done. Channel has given a phase shift of 180 degrees, means if it is up, it becomes down. If it is down, it becomes up. Then whatever you have got, you have to invert it, that's all. So up. So down is there, no, it becomes up then down. So down, right, it becomes up then down. If it is down, it becomes right up then down. If it is up, then it becomes down and up. Then again it is down then up. Correct? What is the 180 degrees phase shift by the channel? By the channel. So I will repeat. I have got 0, 0, pi, pi, pi. Write the carrier. Then if it is 0, retain the carrier as it is. 0, retain the carrier. If it is pi, shift the carrier. Pi means invert the carrier. Pi, invert the carrier. 0, retain. So DPSK waveform, whatever you have got, 180 degrees phase shift occurs here. So if it is 180 phase shift, entire waveform you have to invert it. If it is up, then it is down. See, the up is there, then down. Down is there, then again it is up. Correct? So I'm going to show the next part now. Correct? In the next part, what it says, delay TB. Next part says what? Delay TB. So what I am going to do here is a very simple thing. This is the wave that starts here. So I will write here delay TB. So this starting point I am going to shift here. This wave shifts here. So I am going to return here. This wave I am going to make a shift of that wave. Then this wave I am going to retain as it is here. This wave I am going to shift here. This wave I am going to shift here. Then this wave I am going to shift here. This wave we can leave. So I will repeat. I have got a delay, 1 bit delay. How much is the delay? TB is the delay. So this starting point. This starting point moves here. Entire wave is shifted by 1 TB. This comes here, this comes here, this comes here, keeps on doing it. Now I'm going back to whatever I have explained to you now. See, in the receiver part, until this 180 degree phase shift, we have plotted the wave, correct? And a delay of TB, that also we have done. Now we have to multiply this wave with this wave. That part I am going to show it to you. Now, so what I have got this part now. Let me go back to the original diagram now. So please observe. See, this is the DPSK wave. DPSK wave, this is the delayed wave. Both are multiplied. DPSK is the received data. This is the delayed one. So I will show it one more time. See, this is the received data, right? That is 180 degrees phase shift. 180 degree phase shift by the channel, correct? Then that is delayed. That is delayed by TB. That means I have to multiply DPSK wave with the delayed wave. I have to multiply. So I am going to multiply and I will show it to you. So can you observe here? Here it is, because I am multiplying. This first part I am leaving it off. Minus and minus. Minus and minus, what's the value? Minus into minus is plus. So output is plus. Plus into plus is plus here. So plus and plus. Then plus into minus, it is minus. Minus into plus, correct? Again it is minus. Plus into plus, it is plus. Again minus into minus is again plus. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus is again plus. Minus into plus is again plus. Correct? So if I continue like this, I will get the values like this. So minus minus plus 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 minus 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 and minus. Correct? If it is up, right, indicated by plus, minus, plus, right, plus, minus, minus. That plus indicates 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So the last one I think I have written wrong here. This should be up. Oh sorry, minus minus, it should be up. Minus, right, plus, this should be up. So plus and plus, and this will be also plus, this value will be 1. So whatever I have, right, transmitted, same thing I have received.